Hello friends, welcome to Arshit Stock Business News. And friends, today we are going to see the latest updates regarding with the Hekil. So friends, this company have two angles. That means one is like pharmaceutical and another one is like crop protection, which is both equally shared. It has major portion like 62% on pharmaceutical, 38% on crop protection, but still friends the company managing good revenue on both sides. And friends, I already having like positive view on pharmaceutical companies which are having contract manufacturing capabilities on both sides. Like if you observe here, both sides means like see here, CRAMS, contract research and manufacturing service. That means they have to provide R&Ds on contract basis and R&D on manufacturing basis. So these two angles will going to be rule the world in coming few 3 to 4 years. Why? Because no one will suddenly enter into R&D, or no one suddenly willing to enter into manufacturing. Because of surge in demand, they will look for alternate who are having these type of facilities, and they will give their products or their ideas to these companies to do, because they can reduce their capital on investment of new products. So if they will got click with this R&D which they given to these companies, they will save their capital. So they will take their product. If they got success, they will take for patent also. And what these companies will get means they will get money from the investor to invest on that R&D, like it's a rental basis. So it's the main motto of these CRAMS. Pharma CRAMS are agro CRAMS. So contract research organizations and contract manufacturing organizations, this is the two verticals, and which having a huge benefit in coming years. So next thing which you are going to see is like this company having both two ways. Like we are positive on pharma due to recent rainfalls. So whenever good rainfalls are there, for not pharma, like pesticides agro side, due to rainfalls, land utilization for farming will be increases. So in that way, pesticides are going to increase, so their revenues are going to increase for the protection of crops. So in that ways I am positive on coming days about these all companies which are on agrochemicals. We already taken like Coromandel, UPL, which are trading at 600 to 700. Now they are near to 1000 rupees, and all fertilizer companies also. Before rally itself, we posted in our YouTube channel. So friends, now today I am particularly taking Hekil. Why? Because it is having a good animal health business and pharma contract manufacturing and APIs. And next thing which they are also planning APIs on a cardiac. Presently they didn't diabetes. Presently they didn't have, but they are planning in coming years they will ramp up, or they will come up with new products of diabetes. And next thing which we are going to see is its latest deal on animal health for 10 years, friends. That is the best and most good thing which we are going to see in this Hekil company. And next thing is, friends, if you observe the company's quarterly results, they given an extraordinary move. See here, like 395 crores on September, 412, 455, 400, 321, 400, 380, 355, 372, 463. There is 100 crores jump in nearly on March quarter, which given movement for the stock. And they got one deal like for 10 years they will provide API support for a biggest company, which is the major benefit thing you are going to see. And here 50 crores net profit is the biggest ever net profit posted by the company. And present the share uh, at current value is like in my view is little overbought. Why? Because if you see here, sellers taken most of the uh, profits here. So if you see here, but still a little movement happened. So the stock which I am thinking going to retest this 500, but still before it reaching to 500 itself, buyers came on day candle. So in my view, what I am going to see is like if the share crosses this 500 below, better to exit after results. After the company results, you going to see positive results, then only you go with this Hekil. Why? Because its long term play is okay, but short term retailers who entered here at these levels will be little bothered because of 569 570. Now it will cross 500 means there will be a huge loss. Why? Because we have another support for this share is like this is the level like 441, or you are going to see another support which we are I am looking is these levels 468, like take it as a 470. These are the most possible support levels for the share, like 500 and 470 and 441. So if results will worst, then only we are going to see 441. If results are okay, like if it manages to post 463 as a revenue and 40 crores as a profit, then no problem. The share will sustain at these higher levels. Why? Because we already know that like Q1 will be negative. Like most of the companies will post negative results, not much, but still somewhat lower results. So in that area, we take like it will post in between these also okay. And I'm seeing these one value just 470 is the one value which I am looking. And next thing which we are seeing is day candle bullish means some sellers went out, and here this uh, shortfall, this is called shortfall. If you see again a buying candle, then we may expect this share will move upside only. And next thing which I am going to tell you, like friends, Heckle will going to benefit on Chinese supply disturbances in global markets because of its presence in CR cramps, like contract manufacturing and contract research, which gives push for this Heckle in going forwards also. The constant revenue improvements also gives a positive outlook for the company in coming days. So friends, this is my view on Heckle. And if you like our videos, please subscribe my channel and share my channel, friends. Thank you.